Hey there! If you're shipping your products by yourself, chances are that you might have faced challenges with setting different delivery charges based on distance. All those hassles come to an end now. With the new Pincode or distance based delivery plugin, you can now easily define delivery charges for different distance zones. Here's how you can do that. From your Dukaan dashboard, go to the plugins menu from the left sidebar. Search for Pincode and you'll see the plugin in the search result. Click on the search result and then click on Install Plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click on its settings. First, begin by entering the PIN code of your primary business location, that is, from where you would be dispatching the orders. Depending on your business, this could either be the PIN code of your office or your warehouse. All subsequent distances will be calculated with this PIN code as the base. Next, it's time to create zones for shipping. You can consider a zone as a collection of PIN codes or areas around your base location, and you can set different delivery charges for each zone. To begin, click on Create a Zone. In this pop-up, you need to first decide whether you want to create your zone based on distance or on a collection of PIN codes. If you choose to go with distance, you can use the slider here to set the distance for this zone. For example, 5 kilometers around your primary business location. If you choose to go with PIN codes, you need to add a list of PIN codes separated by commas. You can either add them manually or download our template by clicking here. Then manually update the template using any spreadsheet viewer and then upload it back by clicking here. Once you're done defining the range for this zone, the next step is to set your delivery charges. Over here as well, you have two choices. Either you can give a standard delivery charge for both online paid orders and cash on delivery orders, or you can give them a separate charge. To add a standard delivery charge, simply add the charges over here. If you want to add a separate discounted delivery charge for online paid orders, you can do that by clicking on the checkbox here and then entering the charge in this field. When you're done adding all the necessary information, click on Create and you're done. Your first delivery zone is now created. Similarly, you can create as many zones as you want for the first 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, so on and so forth. When your customers enter their shipping information and proceed to the payment page, they will be able to see the delivery charges according to the PIN code they had entered in the previous step over here. If you've set different delivery charges for online paid orders and cash on delivery orders, they can see that over here as well. Make use of this plugin and manage your shipping zones and their corresponding charges easily. Happy selling!